My name is André Ilbawi. I work at WHO headquarters in cancer control. Cancer control is the principle that about a third of cancers can be prevented, about a third of cancers can be detected early and effectively treated, and the last third can be offered meaningful treatment and care, and everyone with cancer should receive palliative care. Universal health coverage in cancer is the realization that every person with cancer can receive a basic set of services because they deserve it and it's doable. In medical school, I felt quite drawn to surgical care. There's something in surgery that brings a provider very close to a patient in a way that I had never experienced before. I had spent some time in Africa, and while I was there, I spent some time talking with the surgeons, the hospital managers, asking what are some of the challenges that you're experiencing? How can I come and contribute to this community in a meaningful way? And they said to me, if you want to make a difference, if you want to have an impact on the communities, think a bit more about cancer. And with that as the inspiration, I went back to the US and did specialty training in cancer. My aunt passed away from breast cancer in her mid-30s, and that's when cancer and addressing the cancer burden became more personal for me. The other area that really inspired and compelled me is I heard the hope that even in the face of a life-threatening illness, people with cancer see the world in a way that is truly humbling. They see what matters. They talk about tomorrow as if it's a gift that they want to be able to enjoy. That's when I realized that being a cancer surgeon, in fact, was the greatest privilege I could imagine. And that's what I decided to commit my life to. The WHO is a community. It's a community of people who work for an organization that recognizes that every cancer patient, regardless of where they live, should have the same opportunity to access the best possible care. And we can all talk about it in academic journals, but there's no other organization that lives it. And this organization lives it. Yeah, when we go to a country and you hold the hand of someone who's dying, those nights are hard. I mean, you just say, what kind of world is this? 32-year-old that is suffering, can't have access to basic pain medication as the cancer spreads through her body. It's horrific. It makes me think about my family, it makes me think about families around the world. Yeah, going home that day is always difficult. Trying to switch off, yeah, that's not easy. Seeing family helps, when you see kids, and that helps put a little space so that it doesn't overwhelm our sense of emotion or motivation. But it's a hard day. It's a hard day when you see that. Yeah, family. I am really so blessed to have a wife. She is an inspiration, a source of love and support in every imaginable way. We're very blessed to have two kids. Their smiles are a constant reminder of happiness in life. Family makes a big difference, and it helps. In fact, it's the smallest things that provide joy. My wife and I celebrated our 11th year anniversary. I should check before I say this because I don't want to be embarrassed when it comes. No, 12 years. 12 years. We celebrated our 12th year anniversary, and we took a day just to be together. And yeah, that's enjoyment for me, to be able to walk with my wife, walk with the family, take a pause, breathe fresh air, enjoy the day. Those are the things that I find immense joy in. When I think about the people I've met within this organization, it is just incredible. These are the most incredible people I've met. And to be part of an organization with them, what a privilege. And that really is a message I think we all need to remind ourselves. People are humble, people are kind, people are thoughtful, people give up what is just unbelievable to give up to work for an organization because we all believe in its mission. The sacrifices that they've made, it's just amazing. WHO staff, we all do it because we believe in what we're doing. We know it makes a difference. And that's an organization that I love to be a part of.